Hello everybody, my name is Bboy like Luke, and in this video I'm gonna show you 24 easy breaking tutorial. Top rock, footwork, power moves and freezes. Enjoy watching. That's the first thing that you learn in breaking. Cross step. I will show you how to improve this move and make it more interesting. That step has to be done crosswise. Left leg steps to the right and right leg to the left. Use your arms. The classic one is eagle wings. Use shoulders and chest. When you step you open, you close when you bounce. Now combine all together. Check some more ideas. Freestyle with your hands. Change the bounce with one leg hop. Now hop with both legs. Try it with big steps. Get your knees up to the 90 degrees. Your move will show more dynamic. You can leg swap step by step or in the air. Double bounce step. This you can use to move in the space. Step on your toes to look light or full foot to look steady. Low squat for the essence of level changing. You can smooth your step or sharp it. That's on your choice. Take all the advices and create your own variations. Learn Indian step. Kick front with right leg, jump change and close with the left leg. Now you go back to your right leg, kick front with the left, jump change and close to the other direction. Do it continuously until you memorize it. Closing has to be sharp. Your arms help you on that. Use them also to give style to your movement. Work on it and then do it on the beat. Now learn Indian step with a turn. It starts like usual, but on closing you don't turning back. You turn your upper body to the direction of the back leg until you get back to the front. Indian step with a jump. The only change is your kick. Now when you kick, you jump at the same time. Indian step level changing. All the steps stays the same, but when you're closing, you stoop and touch the floor. Work it on and combine it as you want it. Learn kick out. The technique is simple. Bend the leg behind and then kick to the side. At the same time, jump opposite of your kick. Instead, you can try it with double kick. At the first kick, you keep the position, and the second kick, you jump opposite as before. You could also use it to walk back and front. And now you can see the difference between soft kick out, double kick out, and dynamic. Practice hard and congratulations, you learned kick out. Learn toe heel step. You step to the side with your toe, then heel, and then you do the step. Do the same to the other side. Another variation is heel, toe, heel. Here you step first with a heel, then toe, again heel, and then you change leg. These steps are similar, learn both and come with your own variations. If you need something dynamic, learn step, run, step. For this you're gonna need cross step and also this kind of direction changing with 4 steps. Combining them, you get step, run, step. Make a small opening if you wanna fit in a small cipher, or bigger opening if you want to expand. Congratulations, you learned step, run, step. Draw a square on the floor and cut it to 9 pieces. Learn how to rock the square. The middle square is your axis. Here you bounce. Steps going on outer squares, to the corners or to the sides of the big square. After every step, you come back to the axis to bounce. For the beginning, you can learn this combination continuously. Right after, you can freestyle by changing steps and directions. Congratulations, now you can rock the square. Master Baby Love. The creator of this move, Big Girl Baby Love, just transfers some Latin steps on the floor. Take this position and make sure that you can move back and front easily. Place your hands inner of your shoulder size. If you're a beginner, start with palms on the floor. Learn these 4 steps and make them circular. Every time you finish the 4 steps, your body should be the opposite of the first position. If the clock hand shows 3 o'clock, finishing the 4th step, you have to be at 9. To do the full circle, you will need to finish twice the 4th step. Hands move 90 degrees at a time, always combining with legs. Follow your steps with your hip turning. Your shoulders should always watch the floor and keep your hands straight. Now close your knees like they are tied with a rope. Change the rhythm by doing it with smaller steps. This way your steps become smaller and faster. Now you're gonna need 4 times of 4 steps to complete the full circle. Next you can try it with big steps. Now try to fill the full circle with 4 steps. If you start on 3 o'clock, with 4 steps you have to finish on 3 o'clock. In this variation, your hands have to move 180 degrees at a time. Congratulations, now you master Baby Love. Learn Monkey Step. Make sure you are comfortable on first position, because you're gonna need it in many footworks. Left hand on the floor, right leg out. Drag your leg from right to the left, and at the same time you change your hands. When your leg stops, change leg. And now you drag the other leg from left to the right. And in the same way you change your hands. Do it continuously and you get monkey step. Now some tips. Do not lean back your upper body. Instead, just keep it over your hip and feet. This way you can move easily. You can also try walk with this step. Congratulations, now you get monkey step. Learn helicopter. Here you can see the right first position. Don't step with the full foot on the floor. Touch the floor only with your toes. Let's start with the right leg to the clock direction. For the beginning, learn it with steps. And later you can add the jump over. Now learn it to the clock opposite direction. Here you can see the transition from left to right leg, and this is the transition from right to left leg. Learn it in different sides and directions, so then you can freestyle with it. Learn 4 step. Let's split it to 2 pieces, 2 front steps and 2 back steps. In the front step, when you change leg, you change hand at the same time. Then you go through and continue with 2 back steps. You travel from one hand to another while you change leg. Pull up your hip when you go from front to the back steps, and then pull it down again to go from back to front steps. Congratulations, you learned 4 step. Learn pretzel. To understand it better, let's split it to 2 pieces. First piece will be half moon, and second piece will be kick and turn. For the half moon, you need to change your body weight to the other hand and support with your knee while the other leg is turning. And now kick and turn. With the leg that was on the knee, you kick out and then you turn it back to front. Of course, you need to learn this combination from both sides and execute it alternately. Here you can see how it looks from behind, and here how it looks from the top. Congratulations, you learned pretzel. No hands footwork. Play it as a game. The rules. You can't touch your hands on the floor. You can't sit on the floor. You should be comfortable on first position. Add steps. Add knees. Add hands. Add hip. Add space. Add direction. Play it with your mates in a circle and choose the winner in every turn. I call these moves ANGON chair and ANGON freeze. Place your hand a little bit over your hip. Having your hand on the right position, start from your knees, place your shoulder on the floor, then turn your leg over until you get to the freeze. As you can see, I touch on the floor with the elbow, legs and head, almost like a bridge. You free your outer leg and you turn it over the other one. Don't pull your chin in, instead pull it out, just like you go to the bridge. It's forbidden to use the elbow corner, instead use the side or the back side of it. For the beginning, you can use this intro to ANGON chair. Follow the steps. And now we see ANGON freeze. The grab has to go even higher, so it gives you height. Start with the candle position and with a little push, try to go to your elbow. When you feel confidence, then try to go higher. Balance will be easier if your head and chest watch to the sky. Keep going and show us the beast inside you. Learn chair freeze. Turn your palm to the side and put your elbow over your hip. Touch your hand to the floor without disconnecting your elbow from your hip. Put your head also to the floor, just like a bridge position. Now cross your legs. After, you can learn air chair. Warm and stretch your elbow before starting. From the chair position, pull your legs up. You have two ways doing it. Keeping elbow on the hip, or pull your hip up and hold it with the power. Try to balance without legs and head touching the floor. Later you can try to pull it up. And then just hit it. This move called air baby. Before you start, make sure you warm up well. Start it with both knees over your elbows and head touching the floor. Later try it without head. Move one hand further for the stability and keep your other arm stick with your knee. Find the best position for you, moving your knee higher or lower to your triceps. Try slowly to remove one arm and find the balance. Free arm is your counterpace to your free leg. Bending your leg, you have to bend your arm also to find the balance. When you get it right, then you have a bonus blow up. Bring closely your free leg and kick it high, so it gives you push. At the same time, push your hand to go up. Congratulations, now you have it. Learn elbow to handstand. Place your elbow and support hand on the floor. Learn to pull your legs up and down. Scissor movement will help for the push. Synchronize push with the scissor. Transfer your weight from your elbow to your support hand. That will give you time to go up. Congratulations, you learned elbow to handstand. Learn how to go up from turtle freeze. For the beginning, place your hands right and learn the position turtle freeze. Push with your hands and legs synchronized to do the hop. First, try to go up to your head. After, you can go up to your elbow, and then you can go up to handstand. When you learn it properly, you can try this combination. Strength and balance at the same time. Learn how to balance on one hand. Leg split will help a lot on your balance, so stretching is important. You have to know handstand before you start. Play with your legs to understand the center of your gravity. Place all your weight to your strong hand and help with the other hand's fingers. Try to go directly to one arm. Free arm is the counterweight for your legs. With patience and persistence, everything is possible. Congratulations, you learn one hand balance. That's the most classic thing in breaking. Learn cricket spin. First, put your hands at the right position to do the turtle freeze. Fix it on 2 hands and then 1 hand. Push carefully with your free hand. You can help pushing also with your leg. Take a cap, put it on your hand and try it again. When you get some speed, you can take out 1 hand. Congratulations, you learned cricket spin. Learn belly mill. At the back position, your hip shouldn't touch the floor. You have the right angle if your hand can move under the hip. Don't pull your hands up. Instead, pull them to the side to keep the rotation. Turning shouldn't be low on your belly. Try to go higher on your chest. For the beginning, learn it with steps, with your legs on the floor. After, take out 1 leg. Next, keep only hand steps, without touching your feet on the floor. When you get it, then kick it for some speed. Congratulations, you learned belly mill. This move called Superman. This stretch will help a lot for the execution. The transition from the back to the hands should be circular. Don't pull your hands up to your head direction. Instead, pull them to the side. From the back, you're rotating circular to your elbow and then to the hands. Bring your legs close and then pull them up like a spring. Do this exercise to understand the circular form of this move. And be soft, just like a ring falling on the ground. When you feel ready, then try to go up directly to your legs. In the next step, you're becoming a Superman. Learn ANGON spin. First, you need ANGON freeze. Use your elbow on its backside or in the side. Try first to walk it up. Learn to pull up. Intro for this move is like you go for windmill, the leg that kicks, hunting for your head. With the free hand, you are turning to the direction of your rotation. And when you close, you increase your speed. Congratulations, you learn ANGON spin. Learn elbow twist. Balance on your elbow from both sides. Do the same without support hand. Elbow changes from one to another and elbow jumps from both sides. Turning start from your legs and the rest of the body following. At the time you twist, change fast your elbows. Combine all together and congratulations, you learn elbow twist. This move is more a challenge than a tutorial. That's a forgotten power move that used so rare these days. This is knee spin. Take a knee pad and start spinning. Find the right position for your knee and push with your hands to start spinning. The goal is to be able spinning without hands. Try to spin in different forms and bring new ideas. I will not get in more details because I don't master this move. Make your own research and I'm curious to see the result on the floor. Thank you for staying until the end. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. I want to say thanks to Emerson Ware for the big support, because without their help it wouldn't be possible to shoot all this footage, and respect to DJ Beatstrike for the music behind. The names that I use is the way how I learn them, and some of the moves I baptize them by myself. So do not be mad at me, like the video, follow the channel if you want more footage like this.